What's up, y'all? My name is Tatiana Lachelle, aka Not Your Baby, and you are here with me to watch a makeup video. Gotta hurry up. I literally have 15 minutes to get to school. I'm doing my makeup early in the morning. Not too early, obviously, because I got 15 minutes and I'm talking. So I already did this. I was already finna do one eyeshadow for y'all, because I know when I talk, I tend to get distracted and extra. Before we get started, welcome back to my oldies. I love y'all. Thank y'all for supporting me. My views, y'all, are like, they getting up there, so I appreciate it. If you're here with me today, welcome. Let's go ahead and get started, y'all, because I gotta hurry up. But I got some new makeup palettes, y'all. Okay, this is from my school. I showed y'all this in like my cosmetology classes that I'm taking, and so I want to do something fun. So I have like these two pretty green right here. Stuff is falling out. Everything's falling out. Take the plastic off. Boom. These two green. I kind of want to mix it, and then I want to go under the eye with this pink. So I'm excited. I think that's gonna be really cute. So let's go ahead and do some new brushes, y'all, off of Amazon. And I must say, I'm feeling it because Amazon came through. I said Amazon, not Amazon. Okay, Shein. I got it from Shein. Talking out of my butt. I usually say the other word, but I ain't gonna say it. Yeah, but y'all know what word. Talking out of the. Okay, but ooh, this is so pretty. But my light keeps coming down. Yes, I bought some new brushes and they look so good. They work phenomenal, and they also tell you your brush is supposed to be used. And I don't know if y'all could see that or not. I don't know, y'all, but it says eyeshadow brush, so I can now see. So if you don't know what brushes to use, I would definitely say Shein. I'm gonna try to put the link down this time because I think I learned how to do that. So I'm gonna put the link down at the down in my description. So I got inspired by this look that I'm actually doing in my cosmetology school. People wanted me to do their makeup, and I got this specific girl because we didn't have enough time. So I got this specific girl in my classroom, and she was doing my hair and I was doing her makeup. She wanted me to do her makeup, and I was like, let me do this green and this pink under your eyes. And she was like, okay. And then once we got to doing it, she was like, no. She was like, no. She was just scared. The green looked so pretty. She actually liked it. She said she's never done green before. And I was like, it looks really good on you. She actually liked it, but she did not let me put the pink under her eyes. So guess what? I'm finna do it. And I'm gonna do it for a video for my people, my family. Ooh, y'all saw that? Almost got the eyeball. Get down in the comments, y'all, and let me know how y'all doing. Please, like, I sincerely want to know how are y'all coping with, I don't know, just life. Because I'm not gonna lie, life has been hitting me hard. I'm talking about, okay? I don't know, just like stress for no reason at that. Like, what are you stressed about? God got you. Okay, he always do, don't he? It's something that we have to just work on, trust, walk in faith, but it's still a learning process. I mean, you can't just learn that overnight, at least not my perspective. So let me speak for me. But yeah, yo, life update. I don't know. I literally left my job just to go back to school. Never done that before. my eyes actually opened up when someone actually told me that, and I was just like, because I was just down hard on myself, and he was like, bro, you left school, my boyfriend, like, bro, you left school, you left for work. Look, y'all, I'm tired, goodness gracious. When I'm sleepy, as you can see, my voice is like scratchy. I don't know, does anybody else's voice get scratchy when y'all wake up? Or is that just me? I'm a little odd, but he was like, bro, you left work just to go back to school. And I'm like, damn. He's like, how many people do that? Okay, I'm going in with my cream foundation, y'all. I know my eyes look a mess, but they just need to sit before I just go back over them again. So I'm gonna go in with my sponge right here. I really, look how much is gone. I really need to open up this other one that I have. It's new, but y'all, why I get the wrong shade? They're really similar in colors, but they not even the same shade. Like, am I finna look like a whole different person when I put this on?
And another woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do if I told you you were beautiful?
Y'all, so I'm gonna go under the eyes, this thin brush that I have, go into that pink that I told y'all I was gonna do, and I'm going under.
Would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart.
I think this would have been really pretty if it was more pigment. Like, the color isn't giving. Go back over it, but I am just gonna go ahead and get ready to contour, because y'all gotta hurry up.
But there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love.
I like stopped talking for a minute, but I just did some white eyeliner. These are the eyelashes I'm gonna put on. Why they look different? Ghetto. Okay, y'all, I have an idea. I have this really pretty pink, and y'all know I got the pink under the eyes already, so why not put it under the eyes? That would be so stinking cute. I got to do it. I got to. Ooh. Ow. We're okay. That looks so freaking weird. So weird. So let me go ahead and just contour this so that I can fix that. We're going to go in with this powder to set the face. I also have this powder right here, but it's so white, so it's kind of scary. This makeup is really like, I don't know, y'all. I'm trying to make it work, but I ain't seeing it. I'm not seeing the vision at all. Like, what is going on? Time to set the face. Okay, I'm I'm finna hurry up and get dressed, and then I'm gonna come back with the finished look. So I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, this is the finished look. I look like I'm a freaking bohemian or, you know, African queen doctor like that. This is the fit. I'm finna head to school. I'm freaking super late. Teacher finna be like, where you been? What's up? Leave. No, I'm playing. I need to hurry up. So yeah, this is how the look came out. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. This is my palette that I use for school. This is what was given, and it sucks. Okay, it freaking sucks. Can't even see the eyeshadow. I got cheaper eyeshadow than this, and mine don't look like it. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish out this video. I hope you guys liked the little funny parts about it, because I was tripping. Like, for real, I'm still tripping. Like, I gotta go to school like this, and I want to wipe it off, but I did my makeup, so I'm gonna do it. I love y'all, and thank y'all for continuing to watch me. I hope that I can see y'all in the next video and many more. I'll see y'all next time. Just like I said, bye. Oh, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like that button. Subscribe, like, comment, like. I'm out.